Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix screen won't turn on in Realme 14T. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system and update. Now click on system and update and then click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset all your settings. After reset all the settings, then go back and click on erase all data. Erase all data basically means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents, apps, everything will be removed in your device. Now click on it and here enter a password to do factory data reset. After do factory data reset, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.